Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something exciting, the Digitek wireless microphone and receiver. We will be unboxing it and checking out its feature. Let's get started. Alright, let's open up the box and see what we have inside it. The packaging is pretty and sleek and straightforward.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
Inside we have the wireless microphone system, which includes the main transmitter and the receiver, okay, and couples of these cable wires. There's also a manual guides and some warranty information, and you can turn on and off through the power buttons from here. Here is the power button to turn on and off. And from here about the receiver, if you want to know about the receiver, then here's the instructions about the receiver: pairing, light indicator and sound pickup. So now let's connect this Digitek microphone wireless and receivers, okay, through phone. And I forgot to tell you that we even got this bag, so let's connect it. So friends, I have inserted this receiver and here's the mic. So now let's record it, okay. What you need to do is that to connect, friends, first of all you have to insert this receiver to mobile phones. Then after insert it here, you have to bring your mic. Then you have to press this one. When you press on it, this red light will on here, and when this red light is on in the receiver also, you can able to found this red light, okay. Same, if here is the red light, then it's connected. If blink light, it's blue light, it's blinking, then it's not connected, it's pairing, okay. If it's red, then it's connected. And if the sound, it's not you are not able to hear out the sounds, then what you need to do is that you just click here, okay, on the power button. Only a short click, okay. When you click on short on power buttons, then it will mute and unmute, okay. Just need to tap. When you click on it, then it will be mute, and when you click on it, then it will be unmute. So now let's try to record some sounds, okay. I want to record some sounds right now. Hello, 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 hello. So I recorded the sounds. Hello, 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 hello. So as you can hear this, I just say hello, hello only slowly, and it's really, the sound, it's amazing. It's too loud, okay. When if you say hello, hello, then it will be loud, too much loud, okay. So I just love this microphone, wireless microphone. And friends, if you are interested, you too, you can buy. So the audio quality is quite impressive for the price, and the microphone picks up the sounds clearly and minimal interference, okay, as you can hear it out. And you can use it mostly indoor and some outdoors if you want to use it. And overall, this Digitek wireless, it's affordable and reliable wireless microphone system. It's perfect for content creators, example like those who are recording, those who wanna buy this mic, okay, wireless mic. If you are the creator, then you can buy it because it's affordable and it's good, okay. So friends, if you found this review helpful, then hit like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.